hard to understand you, but all of your indiscretions were nothing you could undo. The damage was done, so now it is time to go. Remember this, my house, my house, my house. Something you must learn to do is live alone. Go on and be a man and build your own home. Stand back, don't come any closer to me. Stand back, you are not anyone I wanna see. Go, be on your way, you are not welcome round here. You've done enough damage, you caused enough pain. Now move your ass on, go on and walk away. Walk away in the rain. You needed me more than I needed you. You cheated on me, and now I'm through. I hope she was worth the price that you paid. Motel 6 is now where you get laid. Ooh,